Okay, so our plan for today, here's the list of what we need to get done while you're in class today because our test is tomorrow. So you are going to get your 1.4, 1.5 quizzes back. I also have answer keys. So coming around will be an answer key so that you can check that and make sure you know what all the answers should be and you're able to fix your mistakes on that. Okay, so a big chunk of the test is going to be stuff from 1.4 and 1.5. If you need to, you're working on fixing those mistakes. Okay, feel free to grab a retake sheet over by the red lamp. Top drawer of the cubby thing by the red lamp has your correction sheets. So I'll write this, corrections. If you are going to want to retake that quiz, if you're not happy with your grade, then grab a sheet and you can work on that. Over the weekend, you should have finished the review packet, the Chapter 1 review packet, already for homework. I have keys coming around so that you can check that. You want to make sure it's done and checked. Anything in that review packet, you're likely to see it on the test. So spend some time kind of going over and checking that with the key. Okay, so both of those, the keys will just be kind of circulating around. Make sure you get both of them if you need them. Cheat sheet. I'm going to talk about that right now. Everyone is going to get a copy of a cheat sheet today, and I'll show you what that looks like. Here is mine. Okay, so if you want to write on the top, cheat sheet, what this means is this is the one piece of paper you will be allowed to use tomorrow on the test. Okay, so cheat because it's like you're cheating by using your notes here when you take the test. But this one paper is what you can have out in front of you. It is two-sided. Anything you want to write on here is to help you on the test. Okay? So let me show you what we've already got. We have the sections. This is exactly your target sheet that you've had all chapter on the front of your video notes packet. And all the targets are listed for things that are going to be on the test. And then we've given you some space to put notes, examples, hints, anything that you think would help you related to that topic. Okay, so you might go back and look at this quiz and say, oh, on this quiz, here's the ones I got wrong. Or here's what I need to remember. Looking back at this quiz, PEMDAS, and here's what I need to know about order of operations. Whatever these targets say, try to include something written in the space here that will help you on the test. Your test is mainly broken down by targets as well. So if you know it's a question on target 2, you could be looking at target 2 and say, oh yeah, I have some examples here to help me. Okay? So I'm going to put this up. Here's the things I would use as I work on making my cheat sheet. Okay? I would look at my old quizzes. Okay, we have 3 of them from this chapter. So going over those, anything that's on a quiz is likely to be on the test. If you got something wrong on the quiz, probably put, a hint or a clue or something, a note to yourself on your cheat sheet about that type of question. Okay, you can go over your old homework and find questions that you struggled with or skipped or didn't know how to do or got wrong and make sure you put something on your target sheet for those or on your cheat sheet for those. You can go back to your video notes. You can rewatch the videos as you're studying and preparing for the test and see if there's anything helpful from there that you'd like to put on your cheat sheet. You all have access to the entire textbook, right? So you know that we just did Chapter 1. That's what's on the test. You can access that online textbook and go through more examples, practice, quizzes, review, everything that's in the book. This is in your syllabus. It's in the sheet that you got at the beginning of the year. There's a few places you can look back. I emailed it to you, or at least the links to things are emailed to you if you want to go back and find the online textbook. Then we have lots of handouts, warm-ups, notes, examples, practice, things that we've given to you or that you've written down in your binders, where you could find more examples of things that might help you on your cheat sheet. So I would put in the space, right, in the space that I have for each target, I would put hints, examples, practice problems, maybe the rules, maybe the song in this case, right? The song lyrics that we have for adding integers, anything that'll help you. So when you come to take the test, you're going to get you're going to have this one piece of paper out, and this is what you can use to help you. Okay? So that's cheat sheet. That's a cheat sheet for the test. All right? And then you're also going to today get a extra review. This is posted in Google Classroom as well. It's extra because it's in addition to the packet you already did, but we took the hardest, most frequently missed questions from the test just to make sure you're good on those before the test tomorrow. Okay, so you're working on that. And then if you finish all of that, you can study quietly, right? Look over any of your things or find something quiet to work on. All right, very good. All right, see ya.